Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life. I hope your day is going well so far. We are back at Aldi. We're going to check out all the new items for this week, starting with the plush faux fur area rug, $49.99. So this is 4 feet by 6 feet, and these feel super soft. Like, I cannot believe how soft these are. My cats would absolutely love these. So you have about 3 different ones to choose from, but I think these are going to sell out really fast. I really do like these. I don't know how well they would vacuum, but if you do have those, let us know in the comments below. The comforter set, this is a 3-piece comforter set. So you have 2 different sizes to choose from. You have the king and the queen, but I only see one design, $29.99. This is really nice, especially on cold nights. You have 2 sizes, king and queen, and this is the dual heated mattress pad. You have 10 settings. You also have a 10-hour shutoff, and so this is really nice. Machine washable, $49.99. And the Ferrex 6-gallon wet dry vacuum. So right now in our house, we're doing a lot of fall cleaning. These come in so handy, especially for the garage area. And so I always like having mine. Now, I don't have this brand, but just having a shop vac on hand is always such a good idea. And this one, what a great price. $39.99, and that's a 6-gallon one. And of course, if you're doing fall, like your trees and outdoor cleaning, the electric chainsaw, this is an amazing price. You don't have to worry about, gas. You just plug this in. $29.99. And the felt hamper, $9.99. This is actually really nice because it's very, very lightweight. And when you add the clothes to it, yeah, it will get a little heavy, but at least it's not heavy to begin with. We used to have an old hamper that was really heavy to start. And so when you put the clothes in, it got super heavy. But these are super light. You have a gray. We have 2 different grays. You have a light gray or a dark gray. So which one ever matches your decor. But those are really nice, and they fold away, when you're not using them. The 105-gallon deck box, normally $100, marked down to $69.99. And for $12.99, I showed this last week. We saw welcome and hello. Here's another one, home sweet home. Those are so nice. I love how long they are. The price is just right. And right next to it is the kids safety gate. So if you have little ones, if they're crawling around or learning to walk, there are rooms you don't want them to go into. The safety gate is always nice to have. And at this price, $30, that is such a great price. I know when mine was little, I paid a lot more. $7.99, how cute are these? The Squishmallows for Halloween. And honestly, they're all so soft and so cute. You can't go wrong, and for $7.99, you could buy more than one. Not too many left in the store because these are really great sellers. And yeah, just a few left. Just kind of seeing which ones we haven't seen. They're all just so cute. And I know the kids and even adults love these. I mean, how cute. Boo. And for $12.99, this is the touchless electric soap dispenser. And so these are always nice to have on hand, especially during flu and cold season. And you have 2 different ones to choose from. These used to be really expensive. I remember like a few years back when the electric soap dispensers would come out, and I really wanted one, but the price was really kind of crazy high. So that is a good price for those. And then this is the Power Oral Care Kit. And so you have the toothbrush with 2 replacement heads. You have a little item for flossing, and then another little one, I think, to help to get out something that's stuck in your teeth. And so for the price of this is actually really good. And you have a choice between soft or medium. $7.99. Not a bad price at all. For $19.99, this is the hot air brush for your hair. You have 2 different colors to choose from. What a great gift that would make. Now for $2.99, this is a really great price. The wooden hairbrushes. You have 4 different ones to choose from. So this is medium to long hair, but whichever, you're more comfortable with. And so it has the wood handle. It also has the boar bristles. And so I like this one. This is kind of like the one I use at home. I'm actually going to grab another one just to have on hand, just in case, for $2.99. Not a bad price. The detangled brush right here. I haven't used one like that before. And then we also have the round brush as well. Now the round brush, sometimes I get that kind of little too locked into my hair, so I don't use those anymore. But these are really nice and the price is just great. $9.99, the bamboo bath accessories. So you have the trash can and then you also have the toilet bowl cleaner. And these are really nice. And seriously, the trash can you could use in any room. But the price is really great, $9.99. And for $12.99, this is the bamboo towel rack. And so this is really pretty. And honestly, you could use that in any room you like. It's really nice. So they really got a good collection this week. $9.99, the canister set. And you could use that for any room. These will really make some nice gifts as well. I like the little tray. You get 2 canisters. Only one has the lid. I do like that one. And for $24.99. So these are nice. Again, these are for the bathroom, but you can use this in any room you need to. So I'm just kind of stepping back, showing these. And for $9.99, the pantry organizers. There's a really great selections today. I like this one because it turns. You can use that even inside your refrigerator if you want to. And then this one, I really like this one for the spices, except the area where I have my spices, this is like about 1.5 inches too long. But these are always nice and they're so easy to clean. And then here's more pantry bins for $9.99. So if you are, reorganizing, and honestly, you don't have to use these for the pantries. You can use these for any room that you need, just a little bit of extra. But these are just so fun. And the price honestly is a really good price for those. And for $6.99, the spice jars. So it's a set of 6. And the nice thing about it, it does come with the stickers. And then it also has a blank sticker. So, if you're creating your own spice, or if there's one that you're using you don't see here, you could easily write that right on there. And for $14.99, the wood bowl. So I see different, so this is really nice because you can see like 3 different types of wood, so whichever matches your decor. But these are really, really pretty and lightweight. I was expected to be a little bit more heavy. So such a good selection. And then you have the plastic container with the sleeves for $6.99. Oh, these are nice. It's that time of year, to get organized. It's almost like spring cleaning, but I do a lot of fall cleaning. I think I do more cleaning in the fall than I do for spring. And how pretty, I love the throws, and how pretty are these? So this one looks a little bit festive, but seriously, you have quite a few to choose from. That velvet plush Sherpa throw. I'm going to kind of pull the box out a little bit. Look at this. 6 different ones to choose from. They're all really, really nice. I like all the options here. And the price, $10. You can't beat that. And for $11.99, the jogger pants. So those look really good. I like the sizes. So small all the way to XXL, because normally we only see small up to XL. So I like that they're adding an extra size. You have 2 different ones to choose from. This is on the top shelf. I really want to see if there was more options, but it was just, I didn't want it to fall on me. So you see small all the way to X large. The ladies, this is the Sherpa, the pullover. So I see only 3 colors so far. There might be more in there, but like again, that is right on the top shelf. $2.99. How cute are these little activity books? These are perfect for the kids and for Halloween. Oh, they're really in there. So lots of different characters to choose from. For $3.99, again, if you're getting ready for the cold, and you could have, you know, you could redo the door. So if you need to like replace some of your seals, the weather strip seal, you have the bottom door seal. So that is really nice to have. At $4.99, I'm actually going to grab a couple of these, the motion sensing LED lights. Oh, this is the perfect price. Now they are on batteries. They're not like rechargeable. Like I have a couple that you just charge them up, but I like the size of these. I'm going to place these in a couple of our closets. And the batteries are included. Not bad at all. So I'll keep you posted on those. $24.99, the heated throws. Oh, those are nice. You have a couple different ones to choose from. They're right up there on top. And then we have for $19.99 if you're needing a little portable heater. And then for $9.99, we saw these last week, the bamboo round trays. You have 2 different options. And then for $12.99, yeah, the LED, the lights, there's a set of 5. Those come with the batteries as well and a remote control. How great is this clearance price? $5? So it's always good to check out their clearance because they'll put all the new items together and then they'll kind of have all the clearance, maybe like on the other side. You just have to, you know, shop around. I mean, the toaster for $10. And then these, $2.59. Wow. And the slow cooker, 2 quarts. So it is a little small, but $3.19. That is a really great price. And that's perfect for like cheese and dips. And then the vase, look at this price, $3.24. That is nice. You have a couple different options. Now, $14.99, the dolly. These are always good to have on hand. I really do like these because sometimes you just have a piece of furniture or some heavy boxes. So those always come in handy. And check this one out, the work zone. Oh, that is nice. Let's see if we can grab a price. And so this is nice because you could store it away, $19.99. And for $14.99, it could be a shoe rack or accessory shelf, whatever you need. But this is perfect. What a great price. And Aldi, in my opinion, I think Aldi really has some great price items. At $3.49, the Rice Krispie treats. Oh, cinnamon sugar. You know, we've seen the original. Oh, they have these a good size. So 6 of them in each box. If you have tried these to home style, those sound really good. But that cinnamon sugar, I'm really curious about that one. At $4.19, the bourbon pecan, the K-cups, and you have the amaretto K-cups. There are 12 cups in each, but both of those sound really tasty. And $3.19, the cheesy skillets. Now these are gluten-free. This kind of reminds me of like Hamburger Helper. And so you have 2 different ones to choose from. And for $3.49, oh, the Italian style cookies. They have a few different ones. So find your favorite. That one has almonds. And I think right here, this one has lemons. Oh, they're shape of lemons. They look like lemons. And the cherries. At $3.99. Oh, these look good. I always like the built-in grinders. At $3.89. I tried this one a couple of weeks ago. It's really, really good. And so if you like those, definitely give that one a try. It's $7.49, the baking brie. Okay, this one has cranberry. Oh, that looks good. But I'm going to grab this one. Pecan, nuts, and honey. Yes. And how good do these sound? Okay, so they're savory. $4.49 and then $3.99. Both of the strudels. So the savory one just costs a little bit more, but this one, that looks so tasty. I don't see the cherry. I just see the apple. And then this one is a savory spinach and ricotta. Both of those look really good. It's $6.49, the tiramisu or profiteroles. Oh, those are chocolate covered profiteroles. Those look really good. Those are one of my favorite, both of these, some of my favorite desserts. At $3.99. Oh, they brought these back. I remember these from last year, or maybe earlier this year, but these are really good. The gelato cups. You have 3 different ones to choose from. The cappuccino, I had that one. That was really good. And you have the pistachio. They're all so good. So everybody, thank you so much for coming along to Aldi with me today. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.